Welcome back to another week. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week. And I need your input on a few things, so let's get started. Now, I made a few videos last week, including a MacBook Pro 16-inch Model A2485 LCD panel replacement, in-depth video on how to do it, all of the things that need to be done. So hopefully you had a chance to check it out. If you haven't, give it a watch. It's a good one. I also did a part 2 on fixing a short on a motherboard. This was a Nintendo Switch that I was working on, and in a previous video we had diagnosed the issue and relieved the short, but I hadn't yet finished the repair. So I finished that repair so you can see the tips and tricks that I have when it comes to that type of micro soldering. And finally, one of the big issues that techs have been seeing with regards to the Samsung devices, specifically the fold and flip, is the blackout issues that come after a screen replacement. So I went over all of the issues that arise and the solutions to kind of figure all of that out depending on the generation, because it does vary depending on the generation what is allowed to happen, if it's going to be a mechanical fix or a software fix. If you are one that likes to do or has maybe even stayed away from the fold and the flips because of the issues, maybe you'll have the courage to do them now. So check out that video. Now, over the past nearly 4 years, I've put out over 500 videos covering everything from soldering, refurbishing, tips and tricks on individual repairs like LCD panels on MacBooks, glass only on iPhone and Samsung, the basics for soldering like charge boards, HDMIs, iPads, iPhones, to game consoles, you name it. And getting into the deeper things with the motherboards like CPU issues and how to reball them, troubleshooting shorts on iPhones and iPads, splitting the sandwich boards, putting them back together. Covered a lot of different topics over the years. And what I'd like from you guys is some of the feedback on what you'd like to see more of. Do you like the micro soldering? Do you like just the general repairs, the tips and tricks? Do you like the reaction videos that I do to YouTubers? I put out over 50 videos of me reacting to different YouTube content that I find interesting or that you guys have sent in for review, because there's some cool technologies out there. There's some really cool techniques. So I've liked reacting to that stuff for you guys. Of course, I'm going to keep on coming up with ideas, and we do hear back from you. A lot of the videos, like the Samsung one that I just did, come from you guys, where we get enough calls about specific issues, and it kind of just lets me know, oh, need to make a video on this. And that's been what a lot of the videos are, is we get enough people saying, hey, we've got an issue here, and it gives me the clue, hey, you just need to make a video on it, so that we have a good reference to how to get over it. But maybe there's an issue out there that we haven't addressed yet in a video, or maybe there's something that you'd like to see more of. So let me know in the comments below what those are. I look forward to reading all of them. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.